Jai Hind frame. Today I'm going to tell about the upcoming of lockdown. It's happening on uh, 19th of April and it's end on the 26th of April. Okay. Okay. I'm going to tell you that what is happening on this. First of all, the CM of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, he discussed to the Anil Bajal, who is the LG of Delhi, and after that he announced the lockdown. And now I am going to tell you that what is happening on the weekend curfew. Okay, because before this the people of the Delhi they faced the weekend curfew, and in the weekend curfew the private offices, construction work, cinemas and weekly markets, school, colleges, coaching institute, they all are bans, they all are not uh, open. Okay. And next okay, next we are going to say that what is closed in this lockdown. The closed things are private offices, shops, shopping centers, malls, cinemas and theaters, restaurant and bars, auditorium, gyms. They all things are closed. All right. Okay, and now I am going to tell her that what is completely banned, like social gathering, political gathering, and entertainment things, where the people are coming, and and academic things like and cultural, religious and festivals, all related gathering where the gathering is happening, they all things are banned. Okay, now I'm talking about the government offices and which the government offices is open in this lockdown. Okay, the health sector is open, and the police, which is the officers of, they are they are able to do their job, and the fire, like fireman, and the water supplier who is supplying the water, and the power, like power means electric power, and the Delhi metro is open in this lockdown. After that the municipal bodies are open. After that members of, say first of the judiciary, they are able to go there anywhere, and the doctors, nursing staff, paramedicals, staffers of medical labs, medical oxygen supplier, pregnant women and other patients, people traveling to and from airports, railways station, and ISBT, electronics and print media. The print media, they all are allowed to go anywhere, one place to another place. No one is restricted for that people, but they have to carry their ID, because if they don't carry their ID card, it's mean that's totally uh, that's mean if how can the policeman identify that who are you and what your identity. So they have to carry their ID card. After that the policeman able to go from give the permission to go anywhere. Now the big question of the mind that when the people who that people who certified themselves to what they do for the vaccination, they are they capable to going, are they able to, which one is the people who want to go to take the vaccine, they are permitted or not. Then don't worry, they are totally permitted, they can go for the vaccination. And the home delivery food is allowed. You can order any food and you can purchase that, it's not restricted. Okay, but the outside of the food, you can eat the outside of the food, you can't eat. Okay. And and the Delhi police will allow the moment when they saw the ticket. If you go out of the station, you can give your that's mean railway ticket to that Delhi police, so they can uh, they give the permission to go from one station to other station. It's not a big query. Okay, and now we are going to discuss that what shop is opening and what they do for open this process. That's mean medicine shops, grocery, fruits and vegetables, dairy and milk booths, meats and fish, they all shops are open. And people working in bank, after that the telecom internet service provider and the private security service, they all are open, but they have to they have to that's mean the private security service will provide them the e-passes. They have to apply for e-pass, and the shop will be open. Okay, now which the shop is totally completely closed. The liquor shop, you mean the liquor shop, and the public parks and gardens and gyms, they are totally closed. Anyone can't do the any activity on these places. Okay. Okay, now I am telling about the swimming pools and stadium. That's a big confusion, that it's open or not open. If any sport person is preparing for the national or international events, then they are allowed to go on swimming pool and stadium. Otherwise, no any common people have allowed to go in that place. And the doctors and the police persons, the media and the student who is giving any exam and they have to go from one state to other place, they can go. But the requirement is they have to carry their id card and their admit card. Both card they have to carry. And then the policeman give the permission to go from one place to other place. Okay, and here the factory or industry, they are open, but still the people of the worker of their company, they have to stay there in the factory, or in the they don't have to go from one place to another place. That's not allowed. You the worker only stay in the factory or near the factory. Then they do anything, and their work is open 24 hours, and there is no any restrictions in the factory and the industry. Okay. Okay, now we are talking about the religious place like temple and masjid and church. They are open, but they are open everywhere. But the common people are not permitted to go there, not allowed to go there, because of when they go there, there are lots of gathering is happening on that place. And if we talk about the wedding, only 50% is allowed to go on the wedding. And if we talk about the funeral, only 20% are allowed to go there. So it's all the restrictions of Delhi government. And so we have to follow that all that things because of the COVID-19. It's give us a lots of curious. So, and then Jai Hind for this. Now we are meeting on the next video.